Okay, so I've got my brand new computer and I'm ready to install some R in RStudio. So I figured I'd record it. Why not, right? Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to install R. R is the brain of the operation, so we need to install that first. And so just Google a capital R and you should get the R project for statistical computing. That's us. So if you click there, and then it looks like pretty basic stuff here, but you're gonna go to the download and hit the CRAN. I don't know what CRAN stands for, don't really care. All I know is that we have to pick a CRAN mirror. And so we're gonna pick the one closest to us. I'm not really sure it matters. So we use the SFU one, and I'm pretty sure you can use either of these. This first one is new, actually. I've only ever seen this one before, but I'll try the new one. Why not? So then we get all these options here. I don't think anyone's running Linux, but if you're on a Mac or if you're on Windows, right? I'm on a Mac, but I'll just show you what the Windows looks like. Can't go too far. Okay, for Windows, you're gonna hit the base and download the base installation. But for us on a Mac, it looks like this, and that's why I wanted to show you because it looks a little bit different. We're gonna download just the first package. So either way, just download the first package. Okay. So it'll download and should be pretty quick. And then we have our installer. So now we can run our installer, and with R, it's just going to be running in the background. So just hit continue, continue, agree, and then continue wherever you want to install it. I wouldn't change anything though. I wouldn't change a thing. And then click install. Okay. It needs my password, which hopefully I can remember. How do you not know that, Emily? I don't know. Sometimes it's one and sometimes it's the other. Nailed it. So it should have just installed there, so we can close this and you can move it to trash if it asks. Okay. Great, so now running in the background, well, not running, but it is in the background, we have R. So R is the language that we're using, and we're gonna work with it through RStudio. So capital R Studio.com. Or if you just Google RStudio, it'll take you to rstudio.com. Okay. So you can either catch it in the banner, or if you just scroll down, you can go to download RStudio. There's lots of different options here, but we're just gonna go for the free one. Okay, so if you go for the free one, just individual, what's it called? RStudio Desktop Open Source License, yeah. And so you can go download now, but it's really just gonna bump you down. So we could have just scrolled down from here. Okay. So again, here you're gonna choose whichever one's appropriate for what you're running. So if you're running Windows, obviously choose Windows. If you're running Mac, then obviously choose a Mac. Okay. So I have a Mac, so I'm gonna download the Mac. And this one takes a little bit, so I'm just gonna pause this or try to pause this for just a minute. Okay, so now we should be back in. It's downloaded, so you're just gonna double click to start it up. And so it's just gonna be opening On Mac, you just have to move the little icon into the applications, and then it's there. Cool. Okay, nice. So now you should be able to find it in your applications. So if you're on Windows, you'll want to go down to the bottom little flag Windows thing, and then you can scroll down to, and you should see both R and RStudio. It's RStudio that we want to run and open. So that's the one that I'm gonna start here. Just waiting. Are you sure? Yeah, I want to open it. So it's showing me some of these things here. So I'll just move these over. Front and center. Okay, so you're going to get something like this. So the git command requires the command line developers to, do you want to install these now? No. I'm hesitating because I do, but you don't. So not now, I guess. All right, so now, isn't it beautiful? Here. So this is RStudio, and if you have something that looks like this, you did it. You installed R and RStudio, and everything is hunky-dory. So good job, Lab 0, done. Lab 1, no, Lab 0. All right, cool. See you next time.